A very good morning to you all children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Okay children, today we'll learn the exercises from chapter 4 Justice to the Old Horse. So you have to take your textbook and write along with me and come. Okay children? Yes. So you have to take page number you have to take 33. Page number 33. Okay. Yes. Now I'll read out the glossary for you. Grievances, a cause or reason for complaint. Wicked, a person who does wrong act. Grapevine, a vine on which grapes grow. Confessed, to admit is wrong acts. Okay, the next main you have to tick in your textbooks children. Tick the right answer. Where did judges listen to the complaints of people? Marketplace, panchayat, village. Where did they listen to the complaints children? Yes, marketplace. Tick in the column given. Okay. Second one, who got punished by the judges? Thieves, wicked people, innocent people. Yes, wicked people. Tick in the column given children. Third one, what was fixed to the bell when the rope was broken out? So, when the bell was broken, okay. So, to which it was fixed? Branches of trees, cotton threads, grapevine. Yes, it was fixed with the grapevines. Okay. Yes. Next is page number 34. Yes children, fourth one. Why judges got surprised? They saw a horse pulling the grapevine. They saw one of the judges was pulling the bell. They saw a boy was pulling the bell. The right answer is A. They saw a horse pulling the grapevine. Tick in the given column. Okay. Yes. Next is answer the following questions. So I will send the typed version of this. Answer the following question. We'll just discuss children. Okay. Where is Atri? What is the purpose of bell of Atri? Okay. So where is Atri children? Atri, it is a small town in Italy. What is the purpose of bell of Atri? Yes, the purpose of the bell of Atri is people who want to complain, they will ring the bell. The judges will listen to their problems and help them. Okay. Yes. Who were the judges and what did they do when the bell was rung in the market? So who were the judges? The judges were the old and wise men of the town. Okay. What did they do children? They listened to the complaints. Where did they listen to the complaint? In the marketplace. Okay. So many wicked people, they were punished by the judges. Third one, why was the grapevine fixed to the bell? Yes, the rope with which the bell was fixed. Andre bellana aggadinda kattidralva adu. Okay, was tied. It broke. Broke andre enu kittoitu, bell cut aitu. Okay, there wasn't a thick rope, so they didn't have a thick rope in Atri. So if they want another one, it will take them 2 weeks to buy from the another place. So for temporarily they fixed the bell with the grapevine. Okay. Fourth one, whom did the horse belong to? Why did he not take care of his horse? Yes, the horse belonged to a rich merchant. It belongs to a rich merchant. Why did he not take care of the horse? He did not take care of his horse because he had become old. Okay. Last one. What did the judges decide was the decision in the favor of horse? What did the judges decide? The judges decided that the merchant had done wrong. Okay. So what is the decision? Yes, the decision was they asked the merchant to take their horse home, take good care of the horse, give them nice food, feed him well. Yes. So was the decision in favor of the horse? Yes, definitely the decision was in favor of the horse. Okay children, this was the whole story from the lesson. You have completed in the answer the following question. Okay, the next main is fill in the blanks with the help of with the help of the words given in the box. So these are the answers for the fill up the blanks. You have to choose and write the right answer. First one, Atri is a small town in Italy. A-T-R-I, Atri. Second one, people who wanted to dash rang the bell. Complain. C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N. Complain, rang the bell. Third one, the judges were the old and wise men of the town. Judges spelling J-U-D-J-G-E-S. Judges. The horse had dashed his master well for years. Served, S-E-R-V-E-D. Served his master well for years. Yes, the next main. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. First one, Atri is the big town in Italy. No, it is a small town, isn't it? False, right? F in the given bracket. So you have to write capital F, children. Second one, many people rang the bell and many wicked people were punished. True. Okay. Third one, judges had a grapevine fixed to the bell. True. Judges saw a donkey pulling the grapevine. False. So who was pulling? Horse. Okay. Fifth one, the horse returned to his old stable and the merchant took good care of him. True. Okay. Yes. Now the next main. Say these pairs of words aloud. Notice that they have pronounced in the same way although they are different words. So what they are trying to say here, children, pronunciation will be the same. There will be a different meaning and different spellings. Ucharne same ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, spelling ಮತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Yes, now use these words in the bracket below. So they have given in the bracket the answers. We have to choose them and write. The divers dived at once in the dash. C or S-E-E-C. Which is the correct answer? S-E-A-C. E-C ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರ, ಡೈವ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು, ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. E-C ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡೋದು. So which is the correct answer? S-E-A-C. Second one, how much does this pumpkin weigh? So pumpkin ತೂಕ, weigh ಅಂದರೆ ತೂಕ, pumpkin ತೂಕ ಎಷ್ಟು? So ಯಾವ weigh ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? This is W-E-I-G-H, weigh. This is ತೂಕ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತೂಕ ಇದೆ. ಈ W-A-Y, weigh ಅಂದರೆ ದಾರಿ. So you have to same spelling, okay? I mean same pronunciation, different spelling, different meanings, okay? Yes. Third one, a dash is held in our village every summer. Fair. Okay, same pronunciation. So village alli jatre. F-A-I-R, fair andre jatre. Ita ee fair andre nyaya. Okay. Yes. So you have to write F-A-I-R, fair. Fourth one, we dash lots of ice cream and chocolates. 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, E-I-G-H-T, 8, ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಇದು, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 8 ಅಂದರೆ ತಿಂದೆ, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, 8 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ A-T-E, 8. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್? ಸಮ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಬೇರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್? ಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ತಪ್ಪು. ಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್? S-U-M, ಸಮ್. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this.